Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. In today's tutorial, we will explain how to turn on or off notification for your channel on Telegram. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Telegram app icon. After that, select your channel. Let's select this one. Click on this icon. Press on notifications. You have several options here. First one in turn on. It's already turned on. The second one, mute for 1 hour. If we select this one, notification will be off till 1 hour. Let's press again. Here also you can mute for 2 days. And this option you can customize notification. Let's try this one. Click on enable custom notification here. You can enable or disable message preview here like this. Also, you can change sound of notification. Just press here and select sound which you want, like this. You can check whatever you want. Go back. Here you can vibrate option. Just press here. You can make it default, short, long, or you can disable. I prefer to be short. After that, you will find smart notification. Just press here. You can control how many time within how many minutes. You can select whatever you want. Let's try the second option, 2 times within 1 minute. Press here. Here also you can find importance. Click here. You can find here several options like same as in setting, low, medium, high, urgent. You can select whatever you want. Let's make it high. Here you can find notifications that high priority notification will work even if your phone is in don't disturb mode. You can find here LED color option. LED is a small blinking light on some device that is used to indicate a new message. Just press here. I prefer blue color. Just press on blue. After that, press on set. Go back. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to turn on or turn off notification for your channel on Telegram app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.